Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact Jet2 customer support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Jet2 application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Jet2 videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see, here we have the official Jet2 application where we have in the top left corner, we have the inbox, and in the top right corner, as you can see, we have the as you can see, search holidays, search flights, and a lot of things here can be of course done in this part of the application. So as you can see, a lot of things can be done here. So now guys, the thing that we of course also have is, just a second, we have the bottom tab that has home, holidays, flights, booking, sign in, and the offers option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the Jet2 customer support. It is pretty easy, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. Well, pretty much what you need to do is, as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have tabs here, Travel Help Hub. Basically, what you need to do is click on either that button where they can help you with your travels, or you can go and click on Get in Touch, where you can get in touch with them and they will help you there. Or, of course, you can go and click on Assistant Travel, where they will also help you. So basically, you have a few options to go and see what you need to the customer support. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.